Hi, you're watching The Sovera. This is Amarpal Singh before you. We are standing near Gurthal Bridge near Deepnagar along Sarhant Canal in Ludhiana, where Punjab government through a private firm they are going to start boating service here. So we are showing you the visuals where boating facility is now being provided to the residents. So after more than 140 years, the calm waters of Ludhiana Sarhant Canal are ready to make waves again. This time not with timber boats but with brand new leisure boating experience. The Water Resource Department has leased a stretch of the canal to a private firm, the same firm that operates popular amusement units in Bathinda and Panchkula. So according to the officials, 7 to 8 months ago, work on this project began and now it is in the final stages. If all goes as planned, Ludhiana residents could be enjoying boat rides within the next 10 days. The unique tourism project will feature an air-conditioned cruise with 50 seats offering a 2-kilometer ride that will last around half an hour. For thrill seekers, there is high-speed boat, and for those who prefer a more serene journey, a Shikara boat is ready to glide along the water. So the company has assured full safety arrangements from life jackets to trained staff and emergency protocols to make sure the rides are safe for every passenger. So we are showing you the visuals where you can see the high speed boats. They are already in the place, and very soon the air conditioned cruise with 50 seats will also turn up over here, and as well as Shikara boat will also come will be also provided by the firm over here on Sarhant Canal in Ludhiana. So officials call it a heritage revival, as boating on this canal dates back to the 1880s when it was used to transport logs. Now it is being reimagined for recreation and tourism. Along this boating, there is an amusement park. So there is an amusement park which is being built next to it, where different types of swings and rides are being provided by the private firm. So this amusement park is being named as Ludhiana Fun Kingdom, which is being run by a firm which is already running unit in Bathinda as well as in Panchkula. So this is the initiative by Punjab government, and government has provided the space on lease to this private firm. So if successful, this could set the stage for the more water-based attractions in Punjab and give Ludhiana a brand new reason to head outdoors. So very soon the Sarhant Canal will once again echo with sound of splashing waters, not from history cargo boats but from Ludhiana's newest leisure escape. So here very soon the boating service will start, and you can see high-speed boats are already there in place. Very soon Shikara boats as well as cruise boats will come over here, and very soon this service will start. According to the officials of the firm, it will take around 10 days to start the service, and after which Ludhiana residents, they can take the benefit of these new services. So you are watching The Sovera. Stay tuned to us. Follow us both on Facebook and YouTube, and also download our mobile application. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Manoj Sidhu.